I'm going to meet one of my favorite customers. Where's the baby today? Huh? Oh, you have a babysitter? Oh, so that's why you're going like a big one today. Come out here with the tool on your hand. Come on, hold your package, man.
Thank you.
It's big? So now you buy it. Never so big last time you buy it. Okay. You look so short today. What really going? The baby make you look tall when you have the baby. Okay, how is the baby? She's fine. So your voice gone today. But watch here, she gets shy. She's fine? Okay. But you're doing it only for me. Nice. How are you today though? You're good. You do the weather shopping already? The tin mackerel shopping and sardines? No, not you're not believing do I get no storm, right?
No, I do, but I just don't feel like
It's serious. Okay. Are you and I can I share the same views? Kind of. Well, you go to work whether or not whatever weather condition, right? Okay. So you want to tell me about the service? I've never asked you that before.
well, one thing I can tell you,
To deliver here is cheap. So I think we should raise it. What do you guys think? Just drop a note below and tell me whether or not we should raise her delivery rate. No.
Everybody would have charged an arm and a leg.
Yeah. Okay. And you appreciate and love that. And we appreciate and love you
The
too.
rate is pretty low for packages as well. And a lot of times I get shipping coupons.
So you're milking the system.
Yes.
Y'all need to take some lessons from her. She know exactly how to milk the system. Normally she'd come out with a baby that, woo me and let me just get all soft and extra nice. Yeah, she know how to milk the system. Anything else you want to tell us?
No, that's it.
I kind of like your community though. I kind of like it. It popped down.
It popped down. It did nice up before.
No, in the beginning, everything normally really nice in the beginning, especially like relationships, when you just start. It's nice and sweet and everybody happy and in love.
We did that and talk about it.
You don't want to talk about that part? Why not? It's no longer sweet? We're not talking about that right now. We're not going to talk about that. Keep the sweet part.
I have to get back to work.
Alright, I understand. And pleasure doing business, and we will talk again. I'll see you. Next time you come, make sure you come with the baby this time, because the baby I like.
Well, I don't know.
She heavy. Well, the last time I walk up the stairs. Alright, have a good one. There you have it on the delivery trail. The baby is heavy, so I don't get to see the baby today. I'm broken.